Welcome to English by Bruna.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Excited for our class? Let's go. Record. To listen to records. Magazine. To read magazines. Book. To read books. Radio. To listen to the radio. Newspaper. To read the newspaper. Letter. To write letters. Cards. To play cards. Guitar. To play the guitar. Soccer. To play soccer. Golf. To play golf. Tennis. To play tennis. Mini conversation 1. Do you want to play tennis? No, we don't. How about cards?
No, we hate cards.
What do you want to do then?
We want to play records.
Great. Mini conversation 2. Do Nanda and Leo like to listen to the radio? No, they don't. Do they like to watch television? Yes, they do. How about you? I hate television, but I love music. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you for learning English with me.
See you in the next class on English by Bruna.